Yeah, but yours is like a handwrite. Yeah.
But my favorite tattoo is this joystick.
Look at this one. Oh my god, it's crazy. Angel is like. PS. Yes, you're playing PS.
Did that hurt the most? Like,
No bro, we wanna see it bro.
The legs are the worst.
It was so bad. Wait, awareness usually hesitate because there are other bars in area. I will just shoot this. I sometimes do this. It's for löseving, right?
This is crazy.
So if you,
the other school.
Cargo, if you one time sleep like this, I will video you, photo you. Oh.
I know. I can't. This is crazy. Especially in the class, I cannot. Wait. I have to use this back camera and make it bigger.
Can you make? You can try.
Yes.
Oh, this is so fucking mean.
For $5,000 we will make her up.
This is so mean. For real.
$100.
This is. 看会儿大姐你说啥呢？也，看脖子大姐你说啥？追不你们现在？
Bayağı izledim.
看脖子你们。
Okay. One realistic action improve. Consider.
She is like, it's crazy she's gone, bro.
梦里啥都有在日常别现在年上。
It's only two, or no, we're still doing it. It's a bit too deep. That's what she said.
Öyle işte ders geliyoruz işte yapacağız.
Cidden etik gibi.
看见那我们可以站起来看看吗？答案的没的就是那么就是看见了的。
Buradan da Çağdaş'ı Çağdaş diyorum. Bu sabahki dersine. Onu bırakacağım.
Niye?
Yolda.
Okulun zaten.
分送梦就说好
Bro,
白色就是白人
sus
呀，
ya.
白人
Oh,
的说
because
就
like
这
this is
样。
not ya.
米利嘎比老公这里。
You can't do that.
Okay, answer together.
They're saying that your hand is so white.
Mine is whiter. I am whiter than a white person.
No, you are not white.
That's racist, bro.
This is black, guys.
This is black.
Consider
这种
context.
算有吗？这种算有
That's
吗？
kind of the whole point.
Contextual factor usually. What that mean? Consider contextual factors that AI usually ignores.
It's like basically stuff that's human stuff that they don't know by, AI can't walk into the bar. This is all stuff that we know that AI will.
Okay. Like kind of emotional soul.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't have 17 beers at this bar.
Are we still in like week 4? Is it still week 4?
Yes.
I think we finished, no?
No. Control it from the room. So people.
I just thought it was
Bruh, where is it?